Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Safari and focusing on the tab bar. This is immediate recovery. Press and hold the plus icon in the lower right or top on iPad to reveal a list of recently closed tabs. You do this because Safari stores a short history of closed tabs locally and via iCloud when enabled. Once you see the list, scan for the title or domain you need, then tap the entry to reopen it. This restores the tab exactly where you left off. If the tab isn't in recently closed, go to Bookmarks and open History to search older pages. This gives a longer record than the quick list. Make sure iCloud Safari Sync is on so tabs closed on another device appear under iCloud tabs. This is why cross-device recovery works. Once iCloud is enabled, look at the bottom of the tabs screen for tabs from other devices, or open Safari on the other device and find the tab under its history. Then reopen or share it back to your current device. Finally, if you still can't find the tab, use Spotlight Search for a phrase or title from the page because saved cache or bookmarks might reveal it. If iCloud tabs or history aren't updating, quit Safari and restart your device to force a sync. Make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID. If the history was manually cleared or restrictions are on, recovery may be impossible. Try checking backups or a synced device. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle Safari and iCloud off and on to trigger a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.